welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to mix plaster. First thing I'll do is I'll show you the gear, what you're going to need. First of all, you're going to need a big bucket to mix your plaster in. You're also going to need another bucket to clean your gear in. A clean bucket used just for clean water, and obviously other buckets for cleaning your hand tools and so on. Also, you're going to need a whisk. This one is a 110 volt. You can also get them in 240 volts. The reason I've got a 110 is because I work on building site as well as doing private work. So if you get the 110, you're going to need a 110 transformer, which is this thing here. But if you're doing a DIY job and you're just starting out, I would recommend you go and buy yourself a 240 volt hand tools that you're going to need for the job. First thing you're going to need is a hawk board or hand board. Then you want your plastering trowel. This one is a Marshalltown. Then you want to buy yourself a corner trowel. Obviously you're going to need scrapers, brushes, a small brush for doing your corners. You also need a bucket trowel, and ideally you want a spray bottle. Right, so that's all the tools you're going to need for the job, the hand tools, buckets and so on. So now what I'll do is I'll show you how to mix the plaster. First thing you want to do is make sure the room's well ventilated, because you're mixing with a fine plaster. Now, normally if you're mixing one bag of plaster up, you normally used to need one of these buckets full of, just short of full of water, and that should mix one bag. Station, you take our bucket trowel and just scrape around the edge of the bucket just to get all the plaster that's stuck to the edge off. Now we'll have a little bit more plaster. So now we need to test it. If it slides, which is holding, so it's a little bit thin, so we really need to put a bit more in, just to make it slightly thicker. So picks them up, stuck, so that's now thick enough. As you can see, there's no more lumps in the plaster, so now that's ready for spreading. So one bag of plaster will cover approximately 10 square meters, provided you don't get it all over the floor while you learn. That's how you mix a plaster. Thank you for watching our videos. And don't forget, if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos.